What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, as you know, Musa Mseleku has these rules that he actually set for his wives, and there is a challenge, and that challenge is that there are videos, that circulated online, and those videos were of Macele, she was drinking, and actually dancing, and Musa Mseleku was reportedly not happy about that. Well, one of the reasons why Musa Mseleku is not happy about that, it is because he himself, he has rules that he actually set for his wives to say that there is a curfew, you don't have to drink, you don't have to do this, you have to wear clothes these ways. So I actually remember season 8 of episode 1, and Musa Mseleku was like outlining all of these rules, for Samke, the fifth wife, and telling her, you don't do this, you don't do that. But now there is a challenge in that Mayeni seems to be like testing the boundaries of Musa Mseleku's rules, or probably like feeling, empowered by the support of her family and the positive reaction that she is getting online. So from Matsele's perspective, those videos when she appeared, when she was drinking and dancing, she actually did that, at her family, and she had like left Mzumbe because of all of the stress with this polygamous marriage. So from her perspective, she is a little bit justified, and she is seeing Musa Mseleku as being like overly dramatic. So Mayeni disrespecting Musa Mseleku's wishes is definitely up for debate. Is both sides, they can definitely like bring arguments to the table to support their side, but this is like highlighting the complexities and potential challenges of a polygamous lifestyle, when individual desires are actually clashing with established rules. Because what is happening is that people can grow, and like obviously they used to obey certain rules in the past, but to like expect them to continue obeying those very same rules, it becomes a challenge, especially when you as the husband, as Musa Mseleku, you are not even listening to what some of your wives are actually saying. So the respect that your wives have for you, it kind of like drops down a little bit. At least that's how I'm seeing this when it comes to Mayeni. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.